So good day everyone. We are the Group 8 and we are reporting the topic of collaborating with local businesses and communities in agritourism. So the first slide is all about for an agritourism venture to succeed, kailangan tayo na mayroong strong partnership sa mga local businesses at sa mga tao sa community. This collaboration enhances the tourist experience, boosts local economy, and builds a support network. By working together, such as sourcing local products, promoting cultural activities, and sharing resources, pareho sila nagkakaroon ng benefit, which is the community and the business, agritourism business. And nagka-create din sila ng sustainable and reaching environment for everyone. And let's proceed to the next slide, which is boosting local economy. Na meron to na which is the direct purchases and hiring locally. Kapag sinabi sa direct purchases, dito yung napasok yung pag-support natin sa local vendor by sourcing material supplies and farm equipment help para mag-keep yung money circulating within the community. This also applies to farm-to-table eateries which can use from fresh and locally sourced ingredient. The next one is the hiring locally na nagpo-provide siya ng um, job opportunities para sa mga community member na makakapag-benefit din sa economy. Na also may improve yung mga livelihoods natin, then strengthen the local workforce. So the second one is joint marketing and promotion. Collaborate with local businesses. Dito naman yung partnering with nearby hotels, restaurants, and tourist attraction for joint promotion or package deals can attract more visitors. Ang example nito is mag-o-offer ka ng discount to stay and tour package to farm-to-table dining para ma-experience niya yung para ma-experience ng tourist yung mga kumbaga para sa kanila ay mas makaka-attract pa sa mga turista. Then the second one is the shared marketing cost. Working together with local businesses to share the expenses of our advertising, like brochure and online campaigns, para ma-maximize yung reach and para ma-minimize naman yung cost para mabawasan sila ng mga ganong kahalagang mga bagay-bagay. And a unified marketing effort increases visibility and attracts a larger audience, benefiting all partners involved. The next slide is host community events. Organize local festival and markets. Dito naman yung pagko-collaborate with the community to hold events like Harvest Festival, Craft Fair, or Farmers Market can attract visitor and celebrate local culture. Culture. This event create opportunities for both local and tourists to engage with the agricultural and cultural heritage of the area. The second one is support local artisans and performers. Dito yung ina-encourage natin yung mga local craftsmen na musicians and performers to showcase their talents during these events. Hindi lang yung pag-preserve ng mga tradition but also pag-provide ng mga nakakapag-provide siya ng income and exposure, syempre. This creates a lively and authentic experience for visitor while strengthening community ties.
Supporting local artisans. So, dito po is nagkakaroon ng opportunities yung mga artists and craftsmen sa ating mga community to showcase their work. Before that, syempre, kailangan may sapat na space yung ating farm and also maganda dapat yung ambience para magkaroon ng mas maraming customers. Sa panahon ngayon, yung ibang tao, mas gusto nila bumili ng mga products na galing pa sa ibang lugar or sa ibang bansa. But if tutulungan natin yung mga local artisans natin to gain more income, syempre mag-grow pa yung kanilang business. Pwede din siyang maging special event. For example, pwede sila magbenta tuwing fiesta or holidays, and that way, marami pang mga local artists na ang mahihikayat na magtinda ng kanilang products, and habang nagsisell sila ng mga products nila, pwede din sila magturo ng mga bagong artworks or kaya workshops para mas magkaroon ng engaging experience yung mga visitors na nasa loob ng iyong farm. And then, dito naman sa feedback and engagement, kailangan dito is magkaroon dapat ng mga regular meetings sa ating community para malaman kung ano yung feedback nila and mga concerns, and it is important na magkaroon ng strong relationship with the local community. Dapat is open ka sa mga suggestions nila para makuha mo yung trust nila and ma-ensure na yung effort is naka-align sa needs and expectations ng ating community. And then kapag nafe-feel ng mga tao na pinapakinggan mo yung mga sinasabi nila, they are more likely to support and engage with your farm. And with that, syempre magkakaroon tayo ng positive and cooperative environment. Next is educational collaborations. Dito naman is for example sa field trips. Ito yung way para magkaroon ng opportunities yung mga students to learn about agriculture and mga techniques for sustainable farming. And then yung mga importance sa pag-support ng mga local products. And yung mga internship programs naman is nagbibigay siya ng opportunities sa mga students para magtrabaho sa mga farm and magkaroon ng hand-on experience. Also, magiging engaging ang mga workshop kung magkakaroon ng mga demo, hands-on activities, and tasting sessions. Next is shared resources and services. Ito naman is for partnerships with local transportation services para makatulong sa mga visitors na madali sila maka-access or makapunta sa iba't ibang lugar or farm, and with that magiging mas convenient and enjoyable yung kanilang experience. And then kung wala ka namang sariling facility sa loob ng farm mo, pwede ka makipag-partner sa mga hotel or homestays na malapit sa location ng farm mo, and then makakatulong yun para mas ma-enjoy ng mga visitors mo yung ganda ng farm mo and hindi magiging hassle para sa kanila.
Collaboration in infrastructure development. So dito sa partner with local authorities and businesses, makikipag-work tayo together to improve pa yung mga infrastructure na meron tayo, such as road, signage, communal spaces, para makapag-benefits din yung mga agritourism ventures and local community. Better roads make travel easier for tourists. Clear signage enhances navigation, and well-maintained communal areas create a welcoming environment. So dito naman sa long-term community benefits, mag-i-invest tayo sa mga infrastructure, hindi lang sa pag-support ng tourism, para din ma-improve yung mga daily lives of the residents na nakatira doon, and also fostering economic growth and community development.
One is the shared training and development. So, shared training and development refers to a strategy where organizations offer training programs to not only their own employees but also to other businesses in the community. This collaborative approach benefits everyone involved. So, by sharing resources, organizations can pool resources to create more comprehensive and cost-effective training programs, and then building relationships. Shared training fosters connections between businesses, leading to potential partnerships and collaborations, and then strengthening the community. By sharing knowledge and expertise, businesses contribute to a more skilled and competitive workforce in the local area. Next is supporting local causes. It means that businesses actively contribute to the well-being of their community. It includes collaborate with community organizations, so businesses partner with local non-profit groups or initiatives to work on projects like charitable initiatives, providing food, clothing, or other essentials to those in need. Then conservation projects, protecting the environments, cleaning up local parks, or planting trees. And then community welfare programs. So it is all about supporting education, healthcare, or youth development programs. dedicated resources, so businesses can show their commitment by donating portion of profits. Percentage of sales goes directly to a chosen cause, and then organizing fundraising events. Hosting events like big sales, concerts, or auctions to raise money for local needs. So this approach benefits both the community and the businesses. When it comes to the community, they receive much needed support and resources. And when it comes to businesses, it builds a positive reputation, strengthens relationships with customers, and attracts employees who value social responsibility. And then, developing local packages. It refers to creating combined experiences that involve multiple local businesses or attractions. So, its concept is aims to offer tourists a more comprehensive and engaging experiences by bundling together various activities in a single package. And when it comes to its benefits, so it is convenience. Tourists can easily book a complete experience without needing to plan each activity individually. And then value. Packages can often offer discounts or bundled pricing, making them more affordable than booking each activity separately. When it comes to the implementation, so to implement this strategy, businesses needed to first is identify potential partners, find local attractions or businesses that complement each other and appeal to a similar target audience, and then negotiate packages. Work together to create attractive packages with clear pricing and terms. And lastly is promote packages. Market the packages effectively to attract tourists. And lastly is the sourcing local products for retails. So it means that prioritizing product made or grown within your community when stocking your retail space. This practice has several benefits. First is supporting local businesses. You can directly contribute to the economic well-being of local artisans and producers. Second one is unique products. Offer customers a distinct selection of goods that represent the character of your area. The third one is authenticity. So this approach provides tourists with a more authentic experience of local culture. So for example, imagine a retail store in a coastal town. By sourcing local products, they could stock hand-painted ceramics from a nearby studio, artisan honey from a local beekeeper, and handcrafted jewelry made by a local artisan. So this would create a unique shopping experience for both locals and tourists. So in conclusion, successful agritourism thrives when the community is involved. This means that working with local businesses and people to make the venture stronger. This helps improve the whole community's economy and social well-being. Everyone benefits from these partnerships.